Hey, how's it going? It's book recommendation time. This is Easy Things to Draw, and I'm Enrique. This book is it's kind of hard to fit on my countertop here, but I'll try. It's on the computer desk. So this segment is basically book recommendation. This is a book I really like. I have a whole other list of like books that I think are absolutely must gets if you're an artist or illustrator, but. And then I have books that I love, and this is a book that I really like, you know? So I'm just kind of recommending it. This is Undisputed Street Fighter here. I might move the book up and down just because this counter is a little bit small, this desk area. But it's called The Art and Innovation Behind the Game-Changing Series, Stephen Henderson. I don't know if that's like edited or... But the art in the reason... There's a couple of reasons why I like this book. First off, if you're a Street Fighter fan, I mean, this is kind of like a must-have, right? Like, if you're a fan of it. Even if you're not, for example, I grew up playing this in Mortal Kombat, and I was much more of a Mortal Kombat fanboy. I did like Street Fighter, though. But in terms of, like, what I love about this book in particular, as opposed to other Street Fighter books, is they show... Let me show you. Let me see, where's the page here that shows this, what I'm talking about? It shows the evolution of art style, and that's what I really enjoy. It shows them kind of, there we go, like this. It shows the evolution, oh, sorry for the shine. It shows the evolution of art style, kind of from the first games on to the next. And I think it really shows, like, you know, how stiff, it's good art, by the way, guys, but it you know, it was a lot stiffer than what we have now. And you kind of seeing that and seeing the way video games have changed, the types of artists they have, the kind of level of design, all that's completely different now than it was like when it first, you know, in the early 90s, or I think, you know, what is this? This is the early 90s, right? Not late 80s? Actually, I think it's 80s. Yeah, it is late 80s. Wow. I didn't know it was that old. Awesome. And it does that for like every character. Along with, you know, like the history, and then just the overall design, right, of like other aspects of it, levels, backgrounds. So I do recommend this book super highly for that, and you're also kind of looking at a classic, you know, franchise. The book's pretty big. The book is, let me see, how thick is this thing? Let me check the page number, sorry. The book is 300 pages. It's not too big diameter-wise. I mean, like I said, it doesn't fit on this desk very well, but this is not like a giant book by any means. It does have a little bit of weight to it, so it's not that convenient, in all honesty, to carry around in your bag. I like that it has a bookmark in it, too, so... You know, what's it called? Excuse me. It has this bookmark right here, so you can kind of keep track of what page you're on, whatever that may be. And talks about the voice acting, talks pretty much everything. And the thing I love about these books is some of them will have like a great format, like let's say a great story, but it won't have good art in it for whatever reason. I've seen that with other stuff. It'll show too much about the old art, which the old art is great for history, but I wanted more. I wanted to see the change, you know. But this one kind of has amazing arts, and actually the amazing, in terms of the graphic design layout, is awesome. Like this right here, like the way they laid this out, amazing. In terms of graphic design, I love that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. In terms of price-wise, it says 40 bucks, but I guarantee, I'll link it on Amazon. I haven't actually seen it. I guarantee it's way cheaper than that. It's probably gonna be. I got this, I believe, for 30. And I believe I got it on. Where did I get this on? I think I got this off of. I think I got it in Barnes and Noble, but I used a coupon, so it was like a lot cheaper. But you can probably find it for 30, I bet. I'm gonna put the link to the Amazon, like where to buy it on Amazon, in the description. But that's pretty much it. This is a book I just thought was really awesome. I highly recommend it. And I would say it's like kind of the main Street Fighter book in terms of kind of story and art. That's kind of it. If you have any books that you want me to look at, like just to view them, please write them in the description. I'm always looking for new books. It's kind of a big deal to me. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later.